What if your home could stay comfortable all year without traditional air conditioning? This island villa behind me features MENRED WUHENG climate system, ceiling cooling for summer, underfloor heating for winter, fresh air ventilation with dehumidification, and solar energy storage, all working together as one intelligent solution. No cold drafts, no noisy equipment, just a comfortable and healthy indoor climate. MENRED WUHENG climate system, invisible technology, visible comfort.